Our team programmer is presenting solution on the problem statement code SIH 25031, and the problem statement is crowdsourced civic issue reporting and resolution system under the clean and green technology theme. Our project is designed to bridge the gap between citizen and local government to make the civic reporting fast, transparent and accountable. Today, if someone sees a pothole or an overflowing dustbin, they might call a helpline, send a WhatsApp message, or just ignore it. In most of the cases, complaints don't even reach the right department. Citizens only get a generic confirmation like we'll look into it. And there is no live tracking or proof that the problem was ever fixed. This creates a trust gap. Citizens feel their voice does not matter and government struggles with accountability. Existing apps like Swachhata tried to solve this, but they are limited. There is no proper priority system, no strong validation against fake report, and rural or semi-literate citizens find them too complex to use it. Our solution is a mobile first app for citizen and a centralized dashboard for municipal staff. For citizen, the process is simple. Take a photo or video, the app would automatically add your location. You give a short voice or the text description and then submit it. On the government side, the complaint appears instantly on a live map dashboard. The system automatically routes it to the right department using location and category. Citizens can see real-time updates from pending, in progress to being resolved. And the government gets an analytical dashboard for hotspot detection, response time tracking, and closure rates. We also make it inclusive with voice first input, icon based UI, offline support, multilingual app options, and even anonymous reporting. To encourage active participation, we add a reward system with community validation and AI verification to prevent misuse. In short, our solution makes civic issue reporting simple, transparent, and scalable, empowering citizens while improving government accountability. Our project is built using a modern tech stack that covers mobile, web, backend, cloud, and AI technologies. On the front end side, we are using React Native to build our mobile app, which works on both Android and iOS with a single code base. For the admin panel on the web, we use the React.js, which make the interface fast and interactive. To style our application, we use Tailwind CSS, which helps us to keep the design simple, clean, and mobile friendly. For maps and location features, we use Leaflet, which let us show complaints and issues on the interactive map. On the backend side, we use the Node.js along with Express.js to create APIs that connect the front end with the database. For secure login and user authentication, we use the JWT tokens, so only authorized people can access admin features. We also use WebSockets for real-time communication, like instantly updating the status of complaint or showing live data. For the database, we use PostgreSQL because it's reliable and supports advanced features like handling location data through PostGIS. For deployment and infrastructure, we use Docker to containerize our application, which makes them easy to run anywhere without errors. All these services are deployed on AWS Cloud, which gives us scalability, storage, and security. For notification, we use Firebase Cloud Messaging to send push notification so user gets instant updates about their complaint. Firebase also helps with mobile authentication in some cases. Finally, for AI and analytics, we use PyTorch, which allows us to build machine learning models, for example, to automatically detect the type of issues from images or predict the severity. So, in short, this combination of front end, back end, cloud, and AI makes our. Now, let's talk about the flow of a project. The first step is the login and reporting. The process starts when a citizen logs in or registers on our mobile app and taps the report issue. They can either take a photo or video. They can also add a voice or text description. The app automatically captures the geolocation so the report is very precise. We've also put an emergency condition. In this stage, the system checks if it's a serious emergency. And serious emergency could be accident, fire, or medical urgency, any situation that needs immediate attention. For this, we have provided an emergency button. If the case is serious, instead of going through the normal issue reporting process, the user can press this button. It acts as a shortcut and skip all the verification and admin routing. Once pressed, the emergency button gives the user an option to directly call the concerned department. This ensures that the response is fast and direct without delays caused by the system processing or manual approvals. The next step is the verification and filtering. This is for the normal civic issues which have been reported. So, before the report is submitted, the system performs two checks. First is a duplication check. If a similar issue already exists in the same area, the user is prompted to upvote the existing issue instead of creating a duplicate. Second is the AI validation. If the report is unique, our AI model validates the image to ensure it is relevant. If it is invalid, the system immediately shows a pop up warning and does not submit the report. The third step is the submission and routing. If the report is valid, it is submitted and sent to the admin dashboard. Our automated routing engine kicks here and assigns the case to the right department dashboard based on the location and the issue type. The next step is the ground verification by the staff. The assigned department dispatches the field staff physically to verify the issue on site. If the issue is found to be invalid or false, it is marked as invalid and the user is flagged. After 5 invalid reports, the user can be banned to prevent spam. If the issue is valid, the workflow continues. The next step is the status update and tracking. Once verified, the report moves towards the status stage. In this, there's a stage which is called pending, in process, and resolved. If the issue is not resolved, it is reported again to the admin dashboard. Citizen can track the live status of the report on the app at each stage. The next step is the user confirmation. After resolution, the user is notified and asked to confirm if the solution is satisfactory. The last step is the reward and recognition. Upon confirmation, the user is given reward points as an incentive for participation. The government side receives updated analysts that can be used as recognition of the department that maintains high closure rates and fast response times. So, moving towards the feasibility and viability. Our project is feasible because the mobile and web technologies which we use. We'll use tools like React and Node.js which are widely available, developer friendly and cost effective. Next, we have a cloud infrastructure. Platforms like AWS and Firebase allows us to easily scale the system to handle a large number of users. Next is the integration with existing workflow. The solution can be plugged into municipal system with minimal disruption so adoption becomes smoother. Next is the challenges which we faced while developing this project. First is the digital literacy gap. Not all citizens are equally comfortable with the technology, which may affect the usage. Second is the real-time data handling. Managing live updates to avoid duplicate complaints is a technical challenge. And the third is the coordination across departments. Since multiple government departments are involved, collaboration and communication can become bottlenecks. To overcome these challenges, we have certain strategies. First is a scalable backend with AI. AI will help in automatically removing duplicate issues and tagging urgent ones for faster resolution. Second is a simple UI. A very user-friendly interface with multilingual and voice support will make it accessible even to digitally less literate citizens. Third is the role-based dashboard. Customized dashboard will ensure that each department sees only relevant issues, leading to better coordination. On this slide, we'll highlight the impacts and benefits of our project. Starting with the impacts. First, for citizen, the platform allows quick and easy issue reporting, ensures transparent tracking, and saves time with faster resolution. Second is the municipal corporation. They gain real-time ground data for better planning, the ability to prioritize issues based on the severity, and improve citizen trust. Third is the government departments. They gain from the data driven decision making, which reduced duplication through efficient workflow and long term planning support with proper budgeting insights. Moving to benefits, socially, it encourages active citizen participation and ensures better quality of life with transparent governance. Economically, it reduces cost through preventive maintenance and ensures efficient workforce and fund allocation. Environmentally, quick resolution means cleaner, greener cities and better resource conservation. Technologically, features like AI powered duplicate detection and data dashboard enables performance tracking and smarter decision making. Overall, this system creates a win-win situation for citizens, municipalities and governments alike. Thank you.